Hello everyone, guess what I bought this time? I bought these shoes for customizing them and it's gonna be my first ever shoes customizing video and I'm really excited for it. Anyways, before starting, let me get ready first.
I've been too fragile through my life.
Okay, now it's time to do some crazy outlines and for that I'm using HB grade graphite pencil. So the outlines are done and now let's tape its border first ताकि color करते time ना मैं इसे खराब ना करूँ. Okay, finally the taping is done. Now it's coloring time. Here, as usual, I'm gonna use fabric acrylic colors for coloring purpose and to be honest, previously I bought them just for trying once. And now I'm totally in love with it because they are really very effective on different mediums. And you know what? आजकल ना मुझे येलो कलर से ना बहुत अलग सा ऑब्सेशन होने लग गया है because it looks really fresh and refreshing and it makes me feel really energetic every time. Finally, I'm coloring it and I'm really nervous as well because it's my first time and hope कि इसे खराब ना करूँ मैं.
There's something that is stopping me now, and I try to forget what I had.
Although this work is looking smaller, but believe me, it needs a lot of patience. Otherwise, ऐसा लग रहा है कि नजर हटी और दुर्घटना घटी.
No.
But anyways, I'm still trying to do my best. So let's see how it goes.
My head, I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
Finally, I'm about to complete the first shoe and seriously, I'm really happy with the end result. Okay, after adding some final touch, now it's time to do the second shoe. और इसको भी अच्छे से टेप कर लेते हैं and then we'll start drawing the amazing outlines once again. This time I'm more confident about it because I'm satisfied with the result on the first shoot. So इतना nervousness नहीं हो रहा इस बार. So here I'm going to start from the skin portion because it's less time consuming than the other portions. At first I was thinking about making some cute little cartoons, but then I asked you guys on Instagram Q&A and I chose Goku from them all because most of you guys said Goku from Dragon Ball Z and I love it too. So this one is also going quite well and I think I'll do more videos like this in future as well. Finally, I completed it and here are the final results. Hope you guys like it. All the material details are given in the description below and also don't forget to like, comment and share this video and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.